Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening an elevated terminal or admin command prompt so the system accepts cache clear commands. On Windows, run as administrator. On Mac OS or Linux, use sudo. Once done, close web browsers and temporarily disable VPNs or proxies to avoid cached DNS from those layers. Make sure you know router access credentials if you will restart it. This immediate setup prevents incomplete clears and prepares the environment for the next actionable commands. You now execute the core commands. Run ipconfig/flushtons on Windows. On Mac OS, run sudo killall hupm DNS responder, or dscacheutil flushcache on older versions. And on Linux, restart systemd resolved or the nscd service. After the system clear, open each browser and use its internal DNS clear, Chrome, //netinternals/#DNS or browser settings, and fully restart the browser. Make sure to reconnect VPNs only after verifying DNS cleared. You finish by power cycling your router or clearing its DNS cache in the router's admin interface, since routers can persist entries. Once done, verify with nslookup or dig against the intended DNS server to confirm fresh resolutions. If you still see stale records, make sure your device isn't set to a specific DNS cache or host file entry. Then try switching to a known public DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8. If problems persist, reboot the device and rerun the verification commands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.